Let me just try that. And that's what it looks like when it's all curled and I kind of fluff it. Oh my word, that mayo is so good. You have to make it. If you made it to the beach, the fireworks are gonna be going off in about an hour. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I realized I totally forgot to make an intro for this vlog, and I'm midway filming it, and I filmed yesterday as well. So today's 4th of July. I filmed a little bit yesterday too. So today is a combined vlog. We've got 4th of July things going on. We've got some recipes going on. I'm cooking, and yeah, yesterday Sydney played outside a bunch. We played in the sprinkler and the water. I made some, what did I make yesterday? Some cucumber Greek salad. So you'll be watching that recipe, and then we will jump into today. Sydney is currently taking a nap, and I have some, oh, I think she's waking up. I have some garlic roasting in the oven currently for some, for dinner tonight. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like day in the life vlogs and recipe videos, and I will, we'll just jump into the vlog. Welcome. These bars from my Trader Joe's haul that I just posted are so amazing. I just gave Sydney one, and I kind of want to be selfish and keep them all to myself because they're that good. We are starting my recipe for my cucumber Greek salad. It is so yummy and refreshing for the summer. You guys have to try it. It's, I'm sure, a standard Greek salad, but it was delicious either way. So I chopped up some red onion, cucumber, and tomato. And then I also did some red peppers. You can use green peppers as well. And then Kalamata olives. You can also use black olives if you prefer the flavor of those. And what makes the salad, in my opinion, is a lot of feta. Then I made a homemade dressing with just some olive oil, a few splashes of red wine vinegar, and then I chopped a lemon in half and used the juice of half of a lemon. And then I seasoned it with some dried oregano and basil and mixed everything all up, poured it all over the salad, and you guys, this homemade dressing is so simple but so delicious. This is what it looks like. It looks a little bit more red because I used red peppers instead of green peppers. And honestly, I think I can maybe cut up another cucumber. The recipe only called for one, so I only went with one. But oh, it smells so good, and the dressing. Let me just try that. It's gonna be so good when it sits and marinates for just a little bit longer and gets nice and cold. But yeah, Greek cucumber salad. It's more like just a Greek salad. Anyway, and so yummy.
I eat it.
You want to try some?
I want to take them.
Okay, Mama will make both of us a bowl, okay? I gotta clean up the kitchen first. Is it delicious? That's an onion.
Come on.
And a cucumber. Okay, you hungry? You hungry? You gotta eat your waffle too, okay? It's amazing how clean my house looks right now because I put Sydney's toy bin in the playroom. Well, it is the playroom, but when I make it over, I'll show you. My house looks so clean. It's so crazy how much of a difference it makes. At first I didn't like it because I felt like it was sterile and I felt like I needed things. But yeah, I'm kind of loving it. It makes me feel a little less crazy. A little less crazy. All right, Mama's gonna go get ready. You want to come upstairs with Mama?
Yeah, okay.
I'm in the middle of doing my makeup, found a window with some lighting. I think I'm gonna put in my extensions and show you, oh, I probably shouldn't talk with music going, huh? Let me pause it. When I finish doing my makeup, I'm going to pop some extensions in and do a little hairdo. I'll show you what I do for my extensions. Cindy needs the music back on, so I'll see you when I do. Okay, so now I have my makeup all done. I feel weird, I haven't worn fake lashes in so long, but I was feeling like I wanted to be super glam. I don't know, this one's kind of messing up, but I wanted to be super glam today. So I'm about to do my extensions. These, I haven't worn in a little while, but these are from Irresistible Me. And they have just the clips, they're clip-in extensions. And the blonde is a little bit more blonde than my hair, but when I hide them, I don't know, when I just got my hair done and we used a different toner, so they're not as bright, but hopefully they'll be able to match very well. I'm just gonna like pop them in and then give them a style and show you what I do. If you guys haven't used clip-in extensions, they're literally so easy. Let me find the big weft. I don't have them organized because I've used them so much, but the, hopefully it will focus on this. These clips right here, they just clip in and out, that's all. I kind of gauge how many wefts I have and then kind of place the smaller ones here and then the widest ones or the longest ones in the middle and then all the way up. And then I sprinkle them in once I've got most of the bigger ones in. I sprinkle the small ones in and then I part my hair and try to, you know, make sure that they're not visible that way, but you can style these. I'm gonna end up curling them with a curling wand. In my description box, I have a 20% off code for you guys to use if you're interested in getting these. I've used a couple of different extension lines and these are awesome. They're real hair. Because my hair is sort of coarse, I don't have to do much to them. I just kind of slide them in my hair and then close the barrette. That's all I do, and they stay really snug and secure.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what.
And that's what it looks like when it's all curled and I kind of fluff it, run a little comb through it so it doesn't look stringy, you know what I mean. And yeah, it's so hot out today though, so I'll probably end up throwing it like up in a, you know, pin it up in a ponytail or something. Okay, so we just got back from Hannaford and I picked up wipes, chicken, some iced teas. I got myself a coffee. I know I shouldn't, but whatever. And yeah, now it's nap time. And then while Sydney sleeps, I think I'm gonna roast the garlic for the roasted garlic aioli. I'm so excited.
Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know, I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know.
Sydney's taking an amazing nap because of the AC and all the noise, and it's nice and cool in her room. So when she wakes up, I'm gonna let her play as much as she wants outside in the water, and we're hopefully gonna go to fireworks tonight. Are you awake? Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
I'm going downstairs.
You wanna go downstairs? Oh, I'm so happy. Give me a high five. You took the best nap. It was about 2 hours. Do you want to play in your sprinkle pad?
Hot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go, babe.
I don't want mommy to my soda.
Yeah, we'll put your bathing suit on.
No, my suit on my shorts.
No, you can't get your shirt wet. Man, I love you. Right, garlic mayo time. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I think you can just squeeze the garlic into here because it's all roasted. I'm gonna scoop I'm gonna scoop some mayo in there. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Okay, so now I'm gonna squeeze lemon juice into here. It says half a lemon and then the zest, but I don't know if I'm gonna do the zest. Oh man, Haley, why did I do that? I've got a seed in there. I know better. Salt. It smells good. And pepper.
I want to pepper. I want to pepper.
You want to do it? Okay, baby. You know what? You do it. Okay. Take the pepper and shake it in there.
What's that?
This is mayonnaise. Shake, shake, shake. Good job, Sydney. Okay, and now we're gonna blend it all together and hope it comes together. Okay, so I think it's about as smooth as it's gonna get here in this little baby thing. I did pause it and added a little bit more lemon juice and a little bit more pepper. It tastes really good, so I'm gonna put this in the fridge to chill before dinner. It's about 3:45, so I'll start dinner around 4:30. So for the next half hour, Sydney is going to play outside.
My baby shoes.
Yeah. It's kind of overcast, but this is how Mama got burnt because I didn't put sunscreen on. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp like an elephant. Stomp, stomp, stomp.
Go seven. And then go one. And go.
With me. Sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes. Wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do.
I have a filling in my front tooth, so I have to cut my corn off the cob. Sydney will be eating it on the cob though. All right, got the girls set up here. Corn on the cob's a little bit too hot right now, so she's just kind of munching on the sandwich. I am so excited, you guys. I wish I had avocado, but they just were not ripe, like at all. So this is what we're going with. Oh my goodness. Actually, I'm gonna cut my sandwich in half and show you what it looks like, but I can't wait. Let's cut into this baby and see what it's all about. I forgot how quick the George Foreman cooks chicken. It's like 6 minutes. And it's so tender and juicy. Oh, yum. How yummy is that? I'm really, really, really excited. Mmm. Oh my word, that mayo is so good. You have to make it. If you like mayo, you have to make that mayo. It is so good. Mmm. That's a good sandwich from home. Better than restaurants. I'm telling you, you have to make that mayo. I'll stop talking with my mouth full now, but yum. And this everything bagel, or everything but the bagel, like ciabatta, was really good too. It adds like an onion flavor. No, I'm tasting garlic. Just kidding. Mmm. Is that good? Good job. Made it to the beach. The fireworks are going to be going off in about an hour. We have ice cream melting. We picked up Dairy Queen, and Sydney is with her dad, about to run into the ocean. So we're trying to, you know, make sure Sydney has a good night and watch the fireworks.
Come down on the ship.
I'm holding on, if almost gone.